Today we've got a Della mini split. We're going to be doing a review of the Bluetooth app. Della's reached out and they've wanted an honest review of their app. So today I'm going to be using my phone, showing you their Bluetooth app, and they've been kind enough to offer a discount. And I'm going to show you in today's video that discount code and how to use it. You're watching Taddy Digest. I'm Tad. This is HVAC tips for technicians / homeowners. Let's get started. Now let's use our phone and check out the Bluetooth app. So we're going to take our phone and we're going to click the Della Plus app. And once we pull it up, if you've already connected your device, which we have connected our device, our single zone 24,000 BTU 2-ton mini split, we're just going to click that device there. You're going to see the mini split up top, and then you're going to see the room temperature. Right now it says it's 68 degrees. We are going to take and click the power button that's at the very bottom of the screen, and we're going to be able to see our set temperature now. So our set temperature can be changed with the left and right arrows. Push the right arrow, goes up, left arrow goes down. And you can see the mini split behind me is now on. And we're going to change the mode by pushing the mode button. We've got our heat, we've got eco mode, we've got auto, which is both heat and cooling. We've got our water drops, our rain drops, which is dehumidify, which is cooling, but it's dry mode. And then we've got fan only, where we can operate just our fan. So we got a few different modes to choose from. We're going to choose cooling, and then we're going to push done. Now we can also set a schedule. So we've got a schedule button right here. We've got a timer. We can set our timer. We can adjust our airflow. We also have sleep mode. So we can have a more quieter operation of this mini split. Really nice app. There's even a more button, which is settings. We can change our display. We can change our sound. And then we've got a self-clean mode. Really nice app overall. Actually looks really nice. So not only user-friendly, but it looks good. So pretty impressed, Della. My honest opinion is I like it. It's easy to understand. I don't have Celsius on the screen, so I'm not having to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So it looks good and it works. Now let's go check out the website where you can purchase a mini split, and I'll show you how to use that discount code. Now let's visit Della's website. So we're going to type in the Google search bar, Della Home. Then we're going to find the website link and click on it, dellahome.com. Then there's 3 little bars at the top left-hand corner of the screen. Click on that, then click on Shop. You'll be able to scroll to the right and left. You'll see they don't only sell mini splits, they sell window air conditioners and portable ACs. We're going to click mini split, then we're going to scroll down and click Shop Now on the mini split that we want. Looks like I'm looking at the TL series. Now I'm going to click on that mini split, and then you're going to see this is the 9,000 BTU. We're going to bring down that arrow. We'll be able to see all the different models because they have different models, single zone and multi-zone. We're going to click on the one that I have here, which is a 2-ton, and then we're going to add that to the cart. So once we've added it to the cart, we can see that that discount code is already displayed because I've already typed it in, and it's Taddy Digest. It looks like for this unit, I'm going to get a $130 break. Pretty awesome. Thank you, Della, for the discount. It's 10% off, so if you buy a mini split that's $2,000, you're going to get $200 off. I think that's a pretty good deal. I'm going to go ahead and check out. That's a wrap. Thanks, Della. The Bluetooth app is great, and thank you for the discount. I appreciate it, and I'm sure my viewers do as well. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and smash that bell, ding, so you know what I'm doing. If you want to learn more about HVAC, go check out my playlist, HVAC Tips for Technicians. You've been watching Taddy Digest. I'm Tad, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.